Hello viewers, this is Kia Rawat. I'm from Lexus and Company. Today we're gonna talk about RERA. So the real estate sector is an important component of the economy and plays a critical role in meeting the country's housing and infrastructure needs and demands. While this sector has grown significantly in recent years, it has been largely under-regulated with the absence of standardization and lack of adequate buyers protection. Though the Consumer Protection Act of 2019 provides a forum for real estate buyers to address their concerns, the option is only curative and does not adequately address all the problems of buyers and promoters in that sector. The absence of uniformity has been a constraint to the healthy and orderly growth of the industry. Therefore, the need of regulating the sector has been accentuated in various forums. The real estate sector was struggling as there was no rigid law governing the same. The need of the hour was to appoint a comprehensive regulatory body to govern the same. The 2009 Conference of National Housing Development and Municipal Administration Ministers discussed affordable housing for all, including land use policies, financial strengthening of local public bodies, and a roadmap for whole free cities. To address the issues of land valuation system, the urban development regulation, the discussion also included certain of a draft real estate bill by Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation. In July 2011, the Ministry of Law and Justice suggested that the legislation is a part of the concurrent list of the Indian Constitution. Later on 14th August 2013, the Real Estate Regulation and Development Bill was introduced in Rajya Sabha. The Union Cabinet approved 20 substantial amendments to the bill in December 2015. Based on Rajya Sabha committee recommendations, the law was then passed by the Rajya Sabha on March 10, 2016 and the Lok Sabha on March 15, 2016. Thank you.